Hello students. So today we're going to do fractions revision 2. So we're going to have simplify, and here we need to follow the rules of BODMAS because we have different operations. As you can see, we have a division here and a multiplication here. Now which one should we do first? Should we do division or multiplication? So BODMAS will help us decide which one has to be done. So BODMAS is BODMAS, BODMAS brackets. If you have brackets, that should be done first. Then the second one is off. If you have the word off, that has to be done second. Then you must do division. This is the order to follow. So first brackets, off, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we here for this sum we have only two operations, division and multiplication. So division has to be done before multiplication. So let's do that. So we have to do this. So when we do division, we write 16 by 25 divided by 8 by 25. This is the division question. Now let's start. The first fraction we write it as it is. Division will change to multiplication, and the second fraction we must write the reciprocal, 25 by 8. Now we can cancel. I can cancel 25 and 25. I can also cancel 8 and 16. 8 2s are 16. So what do I have here? I have 2, denominator is 1 because all this will get cancelled and we have 1 there, and this is equal to simply 2. So let's write that there. So this is 2 into 2 1 by 7. Now we have to do the next one. Since this is the last operation, we can do it here itself. So 2 into, let's convert, 2 into 7. 7 2s are 14 plus 1 is 15. So that is 15 by 7. Now see if there is something we can cancel. Okay, now I'll give this the denominator 1. We can't cancel anything. That means we go ahead and multiply the numerators. So 15 2s are 30 and the denominator 1 7s are 7. So we have 30 by 7, which we are going to convert to a mixed number because it is an improper fraction. So let's divide 30 by 7. 7 4s are 28 minus 10 minus 8 is 2. So here what do we get? 4 2 by 7. So that is our final answer, 4 2 by 7. So we've converted it and we've got a mixed number, 4 2 by 7. Question 2. Now here also we have two operations. We have a multiplication and a division, and according to BODMAS we must do division before multiplication. So let's do this. 1 by 48 divided by 1 by 16. So let's take it to the working column. 1 by 48 divided by 1 by 16. So the first fraction remains the same. Division changes to multiplication and we write the reciprocal of the second fraction. So we cancel the ones. Ones get cancelled. I can cancel 16 and 48. Both I can do it by 2. I can do it by 4. I can do it by 8. I can do it by 16 itself. So 16 1s are 16 and 16 3s are 48. So what do I have left in the numerator? In the numerator I have 1 and denominator I have 3. Got 1 by 3. So let's write it here. So this is equal to 24 into 1 by 3. So this one will be 24 by 1. Now what can I cancel? I can cancel 3 and 24. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are 24. So what do we have here? 8 by 1, and my final answer is 8. 8 by 1 is equal to 8. Question 3. Okay, now here we have different operations. We have addition, division, we have brackets, we have multiplication. So now, according to BODMAS, BODMAS is starting with the letter B. That means we have to do brackets first. So whatever operation we have inside the bracket has to be done before we open it. So let's do that. 7 by 10 into 1 2 by 3. Let's convert that 1 2 by 3. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 5. So that is 5 by 3. Okay, so we've written the question, it's multiplication, so we can do cancelling. I can cancel 5 and 10. 5 twos are 10. Now let's write what is there in the numerator. We have 7. Denominator 2 threes are 6. So we'll write this as it is first. So this is equal to 1 by 3 plus 5 by 9 divided by 7 by 6. So now we have two operations only, addition and division. And according to BODMAS, now we have BODMAS. Which comes before? Is it division or is it addition? As you can see, division comes before addition. So let's do the division now. So division is this part of the question. So let's write it down. 5 by 9 divided by 7 by 6. So that is 5 by 9 into 6 by 7. You can cancel 6 and 9 both by 3. 3 twos are 6 and 3 threes are 9. Now we can't cancel anything else, so let's multiply the numerators. 5 twos are 10 and 7 threes are 21. So here we have 1 by 3 plus 10 by 21. 10 by 21. So now we have addition of fractions. For that we have to find the LCM of the denominators. We have 3 and 21. So let's find the LCM of the denominators. So let's do that. 3 and 21. We can divide both by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 sevens are 21. Now I divided by 7. 1 and 1. So my LCM is 3 into 7. 3 sevens are 21. So let's use that here. So this is 21 is the denominator. Now 3 into 7 is 21. So 1 into 7 will be 7 itself. Plus, now here 21 into 1. So 10 into 1. 10 ones are 10. So 7 plus 10 is 17 and the denominator is 21. Now we can't reduce this further and it's a proper fraction, so we don't have to convert. So this is our final answer, 17 by 21. So question 4, here we have brackets, of and brackets. So let's work out what's within brackets first. So the first bracket, let's take it 1, 7 by 8 divided by 3 by 2. So let's convert. 8 ones are 8 plus 7 is 15. 15 by 8, division changes to multiplication. 3 by 2 becomes 2 by 3. Now let's cancel. 2 4s are 8 and 3 5s are 15. So here what do we get? We get 5 by 4. So we've opened the first bracket and we got 5 by 4 of. Now we have to open the next bracket, which is 8 1 by 3 into 2 by 3. So this is 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25 by 3 into 2 by 3. So is there anything to cancel? Nothing to cancel. So we multiply the numerators. 25 into 2 is 50 and 3 3s are 9. So here we get 50 by 9. So this will be 5 by 4 of is into 50 by 9. What can we cancel here? We can cancel 4 and 50 both by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 into 25 is 50. So is there anything else that we can cancel? There's nothing else. We're going to multiply the numerators. 25 5s are 125 and 9 2s are 18. So we've got 125 by 18, which is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. Divide 125 by 18. So let's try 18 into 6. 6 8s are 48, carry 4. 6 1s are 6 plus 4 is 10, 108. So let's try that. 18 into 6 is 108. Now let's borrow. 15 minus 8 is 7 and 1 we have here. So what do we have? We have 6, 17 by 18. So answer to this question is 6, 17 by 18. This is our final answer. Question 5. Now here also we have different operations. We have OF, we have two brackets, and we have division. Now we can do any of these brackets first. So let's begin with this one. So let's do that. So this is the first bracket that we're going to do. That is 1 by 3 minus 2 by 9. So let's convert it here itself. 3 ones are 3 plus 1 is 4. So that is 4 by 3 minus 2 by 9. Now we need to find the LCM of 3 and 9. So whenever it's addition and subtraction, we must find the LCM. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Then we continue 3, 1 and 1. So LCM is 3 into 3, 3 threes are 9. So let's use that 9 here and 3 threes are 9. So I multiply 4 into 3. 4 threes are 12 minus 9 into 1. So 2 ones are 2. 12 minus 2 is 10. 10 by 9. So we can write that here. So this is 10 by 9 divided by, now let's do this bracket also. So that is 4 by 5 minus 1 by 2. So the LCM of two prime numbers, both are prime 5 and 2, we just have to multiply. 5 2s are 10. Now 5 into 2 is 10. So 4 into 2 will be 8 minus 2 5s are 10. So 1 into 5 is 5. Now 8 minus 5 is 3. 3 by 10. So here we've got 3 by 10. Now in the beginning we have this here 2 1 by 4. Let's convert that and write. So we have 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9 by 4 and we have OF. So according to BODMAS we must do OF before division. So let's do this part. So we're going to do 9 by 4 of 10 by 9. So 9 by 4 of means into 10 by 9. Now here I can cancel the 9s. I can cancel 4 and 10 also by 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. So here I have 5 by 2. So what do I have here? 5 by 2 divided by 3 by 10. So this is 5 by 2. Division changes to multiplication. 3 by 10 becomes 10 by 3. Now let's cancel. 2 5s are 10. So what do we have? In the numerator we have 5 5s are 25 divided by 3. This is an improper fraction. Let's convert it. So 25 divided by 3. 3 8s are 24 minus 5 minus 4 is 1. So we have 8 1 by 3. So that is our final answer. 8 1 by 3. Question 2 solved. So now we're beginning with word problems. There are 150 high school students, out of which 2/5 play cricket, 1/3 play football, and the remaining play basketball. Find how many students play basketball. Okay, so word problems, so we need to have our statements ready. Let's begin. Number of high school students. There are 150 high school students. Then out of this, number that play cricket will be 2/5 of 150. Isn't it? 2/5 of 150. Now let's find out how much that is. So that is 2 by 5 into 150. So here I can cancel 5 and 150. 5 threes are 15. So 5 into 30. Now here I can multiply 30 into 2 is 60. So number of students that play cricket are 60 students play cricket. Then number of students that play football. So here it says 1/3 of them play football. That means 1/3 of 150 students. So let's find out how many that is. 1 by 3 into 150. So here also we can cancel 3 5s are 50. So 3 into 50 is 150. So that means we have 50 students that play football. Now we know 60 play cricket and 50 play football, and here it says the remaining play basketball. So we have to find out how many students play basketball. So to find that out, first we need to find out how many students play cricket and football. Okay, so let's do that. So number of students that play cricket and football, total number. So cricket is 60, Football is 50. Total number added up 6 plus 5 is 11. So that is 110 students play cricket and football. Now we can find out the number of students that play basketball. Now how can we do that? Take the total number of students and from this take away the number that play cricket and the number that play football, and that is 110. So what is left? 150 minus 110 is 40. So number of students that play basketball is 40. Question 2. 3/8 of a number is 111. Find the number. So let's consider the number to be x. So according to the question, 3/8 of x is equal to 111. That means 3 by 8 into x is equal to 111. Now to find the value of x, we have to write 111 as it is. Now I'm going to move 3/8 to the right hand side. From the left, I'm going to transpose it to the right. And because it's multiplication here, when it goes to the right, it becomes division. So divided by 3 by 8. Now let me work this out. So 111 by 1, we have division of fractions now. So 111 by 1 remains the same. Division changes to multiplication. 3 by 8, I write the reciprocal. It becomes 8 by 3. Now is there something we can cancel? Let's see if we can cancel 3 and 111. That means, can I divide 111 by 3 and get a remainder 0? Let me try. 111 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9 minus 11 minus 9 is 2. I bring down 1. 3 7s are 21. So I've got 37. That means I can cancel. Can cancel 3. 3 into 37 is 111. We just found that out. Now we have to multiply the numerator 37 into 8. So let's multiply 37 into 8 and see what we get. 8 7s are 56, carry 5. 8 3s are 24, plus 5 is 29. So here we've got 296 by 1. That means x is equal to 296. In 3. From a wire 13 meters long, 2 by 3 meter is cut off. Find the length of the remaining wire. So we're going to first understand what sum is this. Now we have a wire that is 13 meters long. From that, a small piece is cut off. So the length of the remaining wire will be smaller, isn't it? So this is a subtraction word problem. So let's work that out. So length of a wire given to us is 13 meters. Length of wire that has been cut off is 2 by 3 meters. Now we need to find the length of the remaining wire. So that will be 13 meters minus 2 by 3 meters. So this is also meters here. So now we need to do the subtraction. So let's do it. 13 minus 2 by 3. So this will have the denominator 1. Now since 1 and 3 are the denominators, your LCM will simply be 3. So 1 into 3, so 13 into 3, 13 3s are 39 minus 3 1s, so 2 1s are 2. So 39 minus 2, which is 37 by 3. So here we get the length of the remaining wire is 37 by 3 meters. Now it's an improper fraction, so we need to convert it to a mixed fraction. So let's do that. So let's divide 37 by 3. So 3 1s are 3 minus 0, 7. 3 2s are 6 minus 1. So what do we have here? 12, 1 by 3. So 12, 1 by 3 meters is the length of the remaining wire. We've been asked to find the length of the remaining wire, and the length of the remaining wire is 12, 1 by 3 meters. So this is our final answer. Question 4. Rita bought 7 3 by 8 meters of satin ribbon. Now Tina also bought, but she bought 1 by 2 meters less than Rita. So how much did she buy? How many meters of satin ribbon did Tina buy? So how much did she actually buy? So let's do that. So here, length of satin ribbon that Rita bought was 7.3 by 8 meters. Now, the length of satin ribbon that Tina bought was half meter less than what Rita bought. That means Rita bought 7.3 by 8 meters and Tina's was 1 by 2 meters less than that. So it is minus. So if we minus these two, we will know how many meters of satin ribbon Tina bought. So first we'll convert and write it as an improper fraction. 8 sevens are 56 plus 3 is 59. 59 by 8 meters minus 1 by 2 meters. So let's do the subtraction. So here both are fractions, so we find the LCM of the denominators, 8 and 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2. Again you continue with 2, 2 2s are 4, 1. Now continue with 2, 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we'll use 8 as the common denominator here, 8, and get the new numerators. 8 1s are 8, so 59 into 1. So that is 59 minus 2 into 4 is 8, so 1 into 4 is 4. So here we have 59 minus 4, which is 55 by 8. Now 55 by 8 is an improper fraction, so let's convert it to a mixed number. 55 divided by 8. 8 sixes are 48 minus, so this is 15 minus 8 is 7. So what do we get here? 6 7 by 8. So the answer is 6 7 by 8 meters. And what is this? This is the length of the satin ribbon that Tina bought. So what is the length? 6 7 by 8 meters. So this is our final answer. Question 5. Mrs. Neeti bought 1 5 by 6 kg of wheat. Mrs. Renu bought 5 by 8 kg more than her. Now how much wheat did Mrs. Renu buy? So this is how much Neeti bought and Mrs. Renu bought more than this. So we have to add to this and get our answer. Okay, so let's do that. Quantity of wheat that Mrs. Neeti bought is 1 5 by 6 kg. Quantity of wheat that Mrs. Renu bought is 5 by 8 kg more than this. So 1 5 by 6 plus 5 by 8. So here we have to add this up to find out. So first step, let's convert. 6 into 1, 6 1s are 6 plus 5 is 11. So here we have 11 by 6 plus 5 by 8. Now the LCM of 6 and 8. Let's find the LCM. 6 and 8. 2, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. Again with 2, 3, 2 2s are 4. We continue 3 and 1 and then 3 we have 1 and 1. So the LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. So the LCM is 24. So let's use 24 as the LCM now. So this is the common denominator. Now 6 4s are 24. So 11 4s are 44 plus. Now going on to 8, 8 3s are 24. So 5 into 3. 5 3s are 15. Now we need to add up 44 and 15. 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 1 is 5. So here we get 59 by 24, which is an improper fraction. So let's convert it to a mixed number. So divide 59 by 24. 24 2s are 48 minus 9 minus 8 is 1, 5 minus 4 is 1. So here I get 2 11 by 24. So that is our answer, 2 11 by 24 kg. So what have we found? We have found the quantity of wheat that Mrs. Renu bought. So she's got 2 11 by 24 kg of wheat. So this is our final answer. Question 6. A boy can walk 8 2.5 kilometers in 1 hour. if he continues to walk at the same speed, how far will he walk in 2.5 hours? So in 1 hour it's so much, so in 2.5 hours it will be much more, isn't it? So this is multiplication. So let's start working that out. Distance a boy can walk in 1 hour is 8 2 by 5 kilometers. So distance that he can walk in 2.5 hours will be 8 2 by 5 into 2.5. Okay, so let's convert this. 5 8s are 40 plus 2, 42 by 5 into 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 5 by 2. Now it's multiplication of fractions, so we can cancel. I can cancel the 5s. I can also cancel 2 and 42 both by 2 itself. So 2 1s are 2 and here 2 21s are 42. So what do I have left? I have only 21 left. So if the boy continues walking at the same speed, he will cover 21 kilometers in 2.5 hours. So in 1 hour, we saw that he covered 8 2 by 5 kilometers. So in 2.5 hours, he will cover 21 kilometers. There are 54 students in a class. Of them, 5 by 9 are boys. So 5 nines of 54 are boys. So how many girls are there? So first we must find out how many boys are there. Then when you subtract the number of boys from the total number of students, you will be able to find out how many girls are there in the class. So we start by saying number of students in a class is 54. Then of them, number of boys we need to find. We know that 5 nines of them are boys. So 5 nines of 54, which is 5 by 9 into 54. So let's cancel. Now we can cancel here. 9 sixes are 54. So 6 fives are 30. So we have found the number of boys to be, number of boys is 30. We found it out. Now we can easily find the number of girls, isn't it? So number of girls will be 54 minus 30. 54 minus 30 is 24. So we just found out the answer. The number of girls is 24. Question 8. A ribbon that is 12 1 by 2 meters long is cut into 15 equal pieces. Find the length of each piece. So this is one ribbon and it is cut into 15 pieces. To find the length of each piece, we have to divide. So let's begin. Length of a ribbon is 12 1 by 2 meters. The number of pieces, we have 15 pieces. Find the length of each piece, we have to divide 12 1 by 2. We have to divide this by 15. So let's do that division. First step, conversion. 2 12s are 24 plus 1. That's 25 by 2 divided by 15. So let's give it the denominator 1. So here we now have 25 by 2 remains as it is. Division changes to multiplication. 15 by 1 becomes 1 by 15. Now we can cancel 15 and 25 both by 5. So that will be 5 3s are 15 and 5 5s are 25. So now what do we have left in the numerator? 5 1s are 5. Denominator 2 3s are 6. So now we have found the length of each piece to be 5 by 6 meters. Because question says find the length of each piece. We just found the length to be 5 by 6 meters. We'll stop with that for now, children. Thank you.